Hey guys, welcome back. It's Bridget, and today I'm going to be showing you how I took some everyday objects and upcycled them with a little bit of spray paint and creativity. First, I started with some plain containers. For this one, I'm hot gluing some wooden beads around the outer edge. Then I used 2 coats of Rust-Oleum chalk finish spray paint. For the next one, I'm using this flexible EVA cosplay foam to build layers onto a basic vase. It's heat resistant, and unlike other foams, it's paintable. For our last vase, I used floral foam rings. Begin by gluing 3 of your rings together and drop in a terracotta pot. Glue your 4th ring on top to hide the pot inside. You must use a foam primer before painting floral foam. I got mine in a spray paint version and put 2 coats before finishing it with a textured stone spray paint by Rust-Oleum. I found these little wood hanging shapes and wanted to make a holder for some of my starter plants. I gave them a quick shot of paint and added a dot of hot glue to hold my bud vase in place. Add some twine and some plant clippings. Joann sells so many cute baskets and storage solutions. I loved this basket and decided to give it a fresh coat of paint and turn it into a pendant. Simply thread the bottom of your basket with twine and tie a knot in the middle. Leave plenty of string so you can hang it upside down.